Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. Welcome back. Welcome everybody. I am playing Happy. Okay. Um, playing Happy Burger Barn, right? Oh, that's not me. Okay. It's like Happy. Whoa. Okay. Happy Humble's Burger Farm. Don't have him. You can see I just started. Next game just announced now with co-op. Happy Humble Burgatory. Ooh. Oh, that is options. Look. Let's go down. There we go. Okay, that's good. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Back feel. No, back sound. Hurt just enough. Yeah, subtitles need to be enabled, baby. Thank you. Okay. All right. Let's see what we're doing. This is a new game. I think I've seen Markiplier, Cub Scouts, Corey Kenshin, maybe Jacksepticeye play this game, but it was so I don't remember. I know there's a cow and it's a burger place or something, but I'm not 100% sure. But let's get into it. I never played it. You were almost a happy sandwich.
I wonder how effective these Obscura chips are.
I
Well,
wonder
they
how
don't call
effective
them
this
reality
is.
fabrication chips for nothing. They're gonna start making all the employees get them too. So what, we're gonna have them installed in our own skulls? Wouldn't surprise me, the way they like to cut corners to save credit. They can't give us a raise after working here for years, but they'll blow
Wow.
all the money in the world on fancy mind-controlled chips. Well, this mind control chip looks secure. Let's stitch him up. Right, let's get this over with. Say, what are you eating for lunch?
It's not synced, but that's fine. Oh, this would be horrific. You're just kind of like you were almost a happy sandwich. Like you're just laying on the table and you're in and out of like surgery. No. No, thank you. I don't want to do that. Okay. Dude, what is your deal? Yeah, scary when you're you already have a bag. Okay. Am I freezing to death? Okay. Okay. I know, I tried to get a bottom bun, it wouldn't let me. Now I can get a that's stupid that they're separate with that, but it's fine. It's whatever. Yeah. And now I need to do lettuce. Pickle. Oh no, let's do lettuce. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that. And then cheese. Oh, wait. Okay. Stop breathing like that. You're bugging the shit out of me, man. What is that? Okay. Okay, and then onion. Let's put onion. And then let's put tomato. Okay, and then bring the bell to release the bag from the board. Once an order is bagged, there's no going back, so be careful when paying close attention to the cost of the burger in the bag. Bring the bell to release the bag and serve. Oh, throw. Happy is only happy when you're doing your job correctly. Serving wrong orders or being poor employee can result in infractions. Infractions can cause unpleasant things to occur. Note, she only moves if you're not looking. Keep your eyes on her at all times. If Happy gets angry, you need to serve her a burger. But it requires a rotten patty. When she is released, you can find piles of rotten patties around the restaurant. We're not tools at the burger farm. Grilling was the only thing I was good at, but at least I always cook for what I believe in. Dude. Okay. Happy Humble Burger Farm. Use your employee manual. We strongly recommend taking the time to reference your employee manual. Press tab at any time. Okay, great. Jeez. That noise is gonna drive me mad. Give me a second. Please interact button when holding objects. Try opening the door and grabbing communication on the counter. Okay. Can I touch this? No, okay. What is that awful noise? Is someone sleeping here?
Hey kid, good news. You're hired. And I'm your boss. The company had this communicator dropped off. All Burger Farm employees get one. It allows me to check in on you at any time. So behave yourself. They only work one way though, so you can't call me like ever. But trust me, if you need something, I'll know. Now don't be late for your first shift. Keep those customers happy. Get it?
Charlie,
Over time, your apartment will be filled with things you've collected.
Charlie,
I have a cat!
send some even Charlie the barnyard song and another song will in both these. And it should have been like what make you worse. Eventually music charts songs.
Farmyard Festive. Hey there, I was made by cartoonist Tex Venner. Farmyard Festive debuted shortly after the Great Scythian War ended. It was a quick hit, offering slapstick comedy after an intense conflict.
Solomon, a standoffish Santa, has a much shorter history than other franchise regulars. The character was rebranded
Till the cows
as
go
Sammy
home.
the Silly
Yay.
Santa. halfway through Farmyard
Petey the
festivities
portly
run
pig.
and give it an episode.
Charlie the
From
chillin' chicken.
Saul the standoffish
Salmon
to
the
Saul
standoffish
salty
salmon.
to
Okay.
Sammy the surly.
The farmer.
character grew in
Humble
popularity and
hijinks.
importance.
Starting with back and
Sammy's
roots. Blah,
first
blah,
solo
blah.
episode was unique in that it actually provided viewers an educational look at the actual behaviors of real-life salmon. Some parents got upset, claiming they didn't want their children learning about how fish mate. But Tex Vanover laughed them off as shrill and hysterical. It's a kid's cartoon. Other parents praised the direction. The Farmer. The Farmer is the ultimate antagonist to the Barnyard Bugs throughout the franchise. The second most notable villain is his cousin, the Fisherman.
Oh, here's some
The
games.
Farmer also has a family known as the Farmer's Wife and the Farmer's Daughter.
Page 24.
He also has a dog, Richie the Hound.
The heroic heifer.
Later on in the show, the Farmer was
Okay, I'm kind of letting it do this so that way y'all can just pause and read if you want to yourself. I don't want to read all of this.
Not victims he relishes in butchery. Fans and critics alike were stunned tuning into the two-part series finale. Tex wrote and directed the final episode, Farmer's Harvest, before passing the
great.
torch to his son, Chuck. Stop the bugs. And he said, asked about
That awkward moment where you don't know the song names from the band you're listening to. Like, shit, you don't know the bassist's birthday or the guitarist's third favorite mistress's favorite color. Do you even, listen to this band? Do you even listen to this band? You better start. And you're in luck. We have exclusive CDs available. Check out our store playlist filled with all kinds of different metal.
Metal?
As district rights are trampled by the world's Scythian government, where will you turn? Turn to the people themselves.
Okay, I need clothes. I'm naked right now? Wait, it says go to work. Okay, I guess
Welcome
I'm
back
leaving.
to Seacoast Road Public Radio. Obscura Biotech has big plans for Scythe. They've got really big ambitions and the funding to make it happen. I've talked about their
Let's
fabricating
take this
reality
trash.
shit before,
Don't leave it here.
and it has gotten no less scary in the past, I don't know, 10 years since they started leaning into it heavily. At least 8 since they started mentioning it, trying to warn us.
Whoa, what's up with you?
You're telling me that no one else finds it weird? That a world government, right after
Check out the new Happy Humbles brand breakfast cereal. It's incredibly good.
nuclear meltdown that many eyewitnesses
What?
that have mysteriously died
Who?
seem to think was an explosion. I guess it's just me, Kevin Murphy,
Oh,
Maverick Cooper, and a dozen
Okay.
dead eyewitnesses that think something fishy's going on. What happened on Surrey Jungle? I don't know. Anyway,
tour's room. Don't open, sleep inside.
Of course, the more sinister
You don't know the
Obscura family
code.
program. Surprisingly,
Maybe there's another way. I don't want to go in anyway. I was just
Alistair Bradley Collins.
thinking it was weird.
I am uploading the uncensored interview I conducted with Alistair to my status post feed. Download and save this, alright? Because they're gonna scrub it. They didn't even want these to air. They actually came to my house and confiscated all the recordings. But you know, they always have backups. I always have other things recording. They can't
Alright, I
help
guess
it.
I'm going to work. I don't know what's happening.
Row Public Radio's best, alright?
Keep it. I didn't even see it. It said keep an eye on something.
Enjoy.
What?
Good evening, Alistair.
Hello there, brother. Thank you for having me. It's so interesting to be on such a low-budget program as this one. To go from a multi-trillion credit infrastructure that employs thousands of people to a soundstage with strings and there were dusty walls and I love it. I really love it. It's great. I met with our janitor.
Oh my god, I just jumped like psycho. Oh, okay. Get the fuck. I gotta get out of here. I jumped. It made that noise. Hail to the kings. Comfort, baby. Now mostly insect and rodent free. Hail to the king. What? No. Why are you running out here?
New Elysian City. She's beautiful. If you're in the nice part of town. You're not.
You're not.
Maybe someday. A friend of mine who's in real estate told me it'll be its own little paradise. Someday. Anyway, better head to work, kid. Usually you can take the bus, but it's getting repaired today. So head left from your apartment and go straight through that creepy tunnel. Don't be late. Trust me.
Go straight through the creepy tunnel. Don't be late. I'm running. Try turning on your flashlight by pressing the flashlight button. Okay. So they gave me a complimentary flashlight with F. Love that. Oh, sorry. Why does it sound like I'm doing it? I'm running so fast. See, look, this is me walking and then running. Toe is your coworker. He like really well done burgers and hugs. Okay, so burn the burgers that he gets and give him a hug. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Excuse me.
Welcome to
Your
your
job at
home
Happy is
away
the number
from
one
home.
way to make money. You must
Happy's
work at
Humble
least once
Burger
a
Farm.
day.
It's in disrepair, but don't worry. After a few shifts, they'll all be up and running. Consider it training. Today, all you've got to worry about is the grill. Your Happy's Deluxe, Fantastic Fowl, and Poppin' Pork patties are all available in the walk-in freezer. No stealing the product. So, anyways, if you need health or energy, buy an energy bar from the vending machine. So turn on the lights and the oven, clock yourself in, hit the open sign, and get to work.
So anyways, if you need health or energy, okay. Hi, mister. You look very suspicious. Okay. What? Stop talking to me. I need to see my
A
surroundings.
woodland compound? I mean, you're talking crazy, man. We left the barn to, escape tyranny, not create it, man.
Oh, is that
Now
not-
come on, buds. Giving up isn't in our nature. If we keep digging, we'll surely beat the farmer and Horatio Hare back to the barn. Put your hind legs into it.
No? Okay. I don't want to push you again. You freak me out.
I'll help you fast, happy old pal. Get your stinking nets, hooks, and worms out of my face, fisherman.
Okay, I wasn't. What is in here? Parking lot. What is that? What is that? What is that? Is it a brick? Oh, it's a brick. Why do I feel like I need this? Is it a Roomba? Wait, no, why is the Roomba outside? No, wait! Go back inside, come on. Okay, great. Another brick. Okay. I'm gonna put that there just in case I need it for some reason. Okay. Hi!
Rasa överlevelse dadet hiridiba ağacı.
Yeah? Okay.
Bunu yapalım.
Okay. Yeah!
Yeah,
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let me learn this real quick and I'll be back. Oh my god, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Can I just like what do I do? Back item. Out of order. Everything is out of order. Oh, okay. Pick up and dispose the trash in lobby. Pick up and reset rat traps around the exterior. More deliveries near back door to indoor shelves. Employee of the month. Is that the developer? Of course you are. I'll give a bonus to any employee that completes these tasks. The boss. Okay, so I'm gonna be done with them before.
We are so appreciate. Have a happy handle day.
Wait, what do you mean during my shift? I clocked in. You're already clocked in? Okay. Open sign. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna... This shit. Okay, so I can't go in there yet. I need a bomb. Okay. So Happy Deluxe, cow, pig, chicken. Is that a cookie? Pie, fries, and fish. Okay. Okay. Sorry! I'm just checking. Okay, obtain boxes from back door. Place boxes on shelf. Return to work. Okay, so... Is this the back door? There we go. Look at that. They're all on the freaking shelf. Look at that. Okay. Do this before the shift. I am not... Oh, there's... Oh, I see the mouse traps. Okay. What is happening? Okay, did it. Is he in front of that door? Okay. What? Okay, I panicked. I'm not a good panicker. You need to clock out before you leave. Okay, great. I'm not trying to leave. I was looking at what that light was. Okay, did that one. Did that one. Okay, great. These noises are driving me bonkers. Okay. There's gotta be freaking more, right? Why are you outside, Roomba? Alright, great. Pick up and dispose of trash in the lobby. Okay, let me close this door. Wait, is the Roomba coming back in? Okay, great. Now let's go pick up trash in the lobby. Hey! I know. We're gonna open in just a minute, I promise. I just want to make sure everything's clean first because this is I don't want to be gross. We can't be gross. Any place I work at is gonna be super clean, the cleanest you've ever seen in your life. Is that trash? Okay. People, it's not hard to pick up your trash. If you're gonna leave trash because you're too lazy to get up and walk over here, usually where there's a trash right by the door, you should leave a tip or something, dude. Like they're not there to pick up after you. Wait, is that all the trash? I'm gonna close this door because I'm freaked out. It says all the trash in the lobby. That's all the trash. Wait, is there on the ground? All items have been crossed off the list. Yes! Okay, so let's open. Oh. Oh, cool. Alright, run! Alright. 5 minutes. Took me 5 minutes to do that. Literally 6 minutes, right? Oh wait, what is that? Hello! How are you? Take your time. Walking through. It's fine. Yeah. Oh, another person! A Happy Deluxe. Sorry. Okay, so what do you want? What do I do with it? Oh, I bet I should read this, huh? Okay. Grab chilled patties and throw them on the grill. Don't make too much early, it spoils fast. At the prep table, place one bottom and one of each topping. Okay. Oh, it's not done. Oh, I have to turn the appliances on. I'm so sorry. There we go. Where are the buns? Okay. Bottom bun. Bam. Shpop. And then one of each, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna grab a cheese, right? Cheese. And smack, right? Is that right? Add a beef patty. To what? Prep while the meat cooks. Empty one bag of fry. Okay, I'm not that part. I'm not that part yet. Okay, so is the patty done? Is the patty done? Is the patty done? It is done. Thank you! Thank you! Yes, you're the best! Okay. Bop. Boom. Pow. Yay! Okay, great. Just don't keep it close. Okay. Bag. Put it in the bag. Okay, Happy Deluxe. I did it. Ding dong. Pick it up. This is hard. Take over here. What? What? Alright. What's up, Chica, Bika, Monica? Poppin' pork sandwich with no cheese. Poppin' pork sandwich. Okay. Okay. No cheese. I got you. I got you. I got you. You got this? Yeah. I know. I know. Let me make this. You keep talking. I'm listening. I can hear you still. No cheese. So pop, chop, shabop, boop, bada, boom, bop, bop, bop. And then we go here and we go bop, 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 bop. Ugh, that sounds so nasty. All right. Almost? No? Okay. I know. Just day one, too. I know. It's so weird. I know. Things are just, I know. It's like the best, right? Alright, it's done? Thanks. Okay, I don't know what that noise is. That was the pig noise, right? That was a pig noise. That makes me sad. What's up, yo? How can I help you? How can I help your hunger? You want a fowl with no pickle. Got you. You want chicken, no pickle. A chicken, no pickle. Chicken, no pickle. Chicken, no pickle. Okay. Chicken, no pickle. Chicken, no pickle. Chicken, no pickle. I know, hi. I know, it's funny. No pickle. So you got tomato, onion, cheese, and lettuce. And then you go. Bop, boom, pow. Gotcha. And then you go, are you done yet? Yeah? Don't whisper like that. That creeps me out, okay? But you're doing great. I'm very proud of you. Yeah. No, that's still raw. Yeah, that's still raw. That's horrific. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I know. I told him I needed that. I know. Like, this is ridiculous. He needs to hire more people. Or pay me way more. I need, like, 4 paychecks. What? What's that? Yeah, exactly. And let's throw that one over there. Yeah, right there. That's fine. It's not cooking anymore, so okay. Would you? There you. Grab it. Yay! More glitter, and that's not contamination at all. Okay, great. Okay. Okay. Do not tell the health code that I put that on the ground right there. Fantastic. That's what I bagged. Got you. That's what I got. Exactly. This is the best. This job is easy. Hey, what's up, yo? Yeah. Yeah. You want a fantastic foul sandwich? I fucking got you, dude. Boom, a boom, a boom, a boom. Say go. A boom, ba 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 ba. Excuse me. With the tomato, with the tomato, with the tomato. Yep. And then got it. Listen, boss said don't waste anything. They're taking it out of my pay, which is illegal. So, you're never gonna know. I'm loving it. Completed your first shift. I am. I'm working. Wait! 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 Okay, end of day summary. You served a total of 3 customers. To meet the threshold, you'll need less than 1 infraction, and you got a total of 0 infractions. You're satisfied. Requirement work for today. Well, yeah. I get told that all the time. That's so good. I know. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this up because they went away. Throw it in the trash. Alright, well, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, that's me. I'm scaring myself. That's dumb. That's dumb that I scared myself. Okay, so that's 1 shift. Okay, do I clock out now? You can only turn off during your shift. Oh, okay, well.
We are so appreciate. Have a happy humble day.
Okay, I'm going through the back door. I don't remember his name, but. Oh, it's the book. It's the book. Okay. I need to go this way? Okay. Can I just go home? Can I go home? Is this not... Can I go home? How do I go home? $46. Is this way home? Oh, it's a tape. It's a tape. It's a tape. It's a tape. Pick it up. 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 Why can't I pick it up? Okay. Like, maybe I wasn't even supposed to find that yet. Oh my god, run. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Run, 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 run. Whew. The right ingredient on the wrong patty can make all the difference in the sandwich. Okay, I just want to go home. Yep, I just want to go home. Right, this is where I live. Is this where I live? Wait, is it over there? Hey, look, it's Greg! Do I have to run? I have to go all the way home. That is gonna be crazy. These might be long. Ugh, I know I do rather long episodes. These are gonna be a little long too, because this seems to be maybe not as long. Hi, how are you? Just getting home from work, yeah. I know you don't care. I don't know why I told you. Girl kept you waiting, huh? Check the appliance switch. What? Oh wait, where's my apartment? Oh wait, no, my apartment's on the other side. Upstairs, upstairs, upstairs. Forgot my apartment's upstairs. Hi! Hi! You did such a great job today! You're my best friend? That's great! Hug? Hug? Is it tickle, tickle, tickle? Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. Or I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna eat food. You have a great night, but you did so great today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work, okay? Good night. You get a good night rest. Take a nice long shower. And put sunscreen on because the sunscreen should help with the heat at the grill. What is... Excuse me. Step 1, grab the fry bag from the walk-in. Dump fries in nugget into... Here, let's just... Okay. Management procedure. Okay. Empty 1 bag of salmon... Fries or salmon nuggets. Put it into the fryer and wait till cooked. Remove the... and place into warming basket before serving. Warming basket. Keep a batch in the fryer just to be safe. 1 basket, 1 warmer. Place it into the oven and bake before serving. Press the red button to begin cooking. P.S. Always have some of both made. 2 each in the oven at a time. Okay, so put 4 in whenever I can do it. Okay. Simple, fill on demand and at each drink station and serve. Make extra when you can. People order a lot at once. Pretty easy, huh? Is it good? Okay, so you put everything on it unless they say no. Okay. Management. Employee guideline. Arrive on time for all shifts. Provide your own transportation to and from work. Clock to start your shift. Clock to end your shift. Turn on off all lights, appliances, and open sign. Oops, I didn't. Answer all calls from supervisors. Do not miss these calls. Cook and serve food to company standards. Handle all cash transactions. They are watching you. Maintain an orderly restaurant. Clean and uphold maintenance standards. Failure to maintain these duties will result in severe punishment or termination. Keep Happy Humble Burger Farm happy. I could draw better than this. That's cute. What is that? What is that? I can't smile anymore. Infractions. Each shift will be assessed and judged based on infraction system. Your performance will be judged on the time and quality of your work. Who's the manager? Okay. Efficient employees will find their shift ends with the minimum allowance of infractions. In this event, you will receive a bonus. Turn on the drive-thru to get more customers. It could be you. With your bonus, we encourage you to spend and save wisely. Visit the Happy Bar and local coffee shop to enjoy and push through the shift. Stay happy in expanding your collection of music, rare action figures, limited edition manga, and much more that new Elysian City has to offer. Remember, do everything with a happy, humble smile. Enjoy your time. Hey you, follow the rules. Your life depends on it. Manga is cool, but it's hard to find. Feels bad. Alright, so happy home. Okay, don't get trapped in here. Okay, main door, sign, exit, bathroom, music. Info board. Okay. Drive-through. When Happy is mad, there's nowhere to hide. Don't close your eyes to the truth. Burgers here. Okay. So oven, shakes, fries. So the cookies and the pie go here. Fries and nuggets here. The soda drinks, the shakes are here. Okay. Table. Wait. Why is this outside right here? Door. Oh, that's what that means. Okay. Manager's office. So I'm not allowed in there. Okay. Statistics. Total steps 975. Days worked. Earnings. Made 5. Correct 3 orders. Wrong. Item bag 5. Notes. Find another way. Or try to deadbolt. Meet Toe. He's your neighbor. Your new best friend. Okay. So I did it all. I did it all. Alright, we got through it. Shakes, drinks. Our apartments. Can we cook anything? I don't know. Be happy. Is there flies? What is that? I don't know. Why can't I pick it? Oh, because I have to go like...
The Burger Farm employee, Toe, is just 35 years old, and yet his brain activity has aged into that of an 87-year-old. He has lost the ability to perform his tasks in the restaurant, staring listlessly at burning patties. It's a wonder he hasn't burnt the place down. I've observed the same deterioration in the radio host Maverick Cooper. Most of the other test subjects have perished or disappeared, like E7. I will be ordering the extraction of Toe and Maverick when I depart. Hopefully they can regain cognitive function with rehabilitation.
Okay, well, it's my apartment, so... Let's go to bed. You fried? You fried? You fried, boy? Alright. That's going to be the end of that one. I'm going to leave this video here. Day 2 is going to be day 2, day 3. We're going to do it like that instead. Okay? They get shorter and shorter, they get shorter and shorter. But let's play this whole game and see what it's about. I didn't know it was this in depth and this all crazy shy stuff happening. But I will see you in the next video. I really do appreciate you being here and watching this with me and playing, going through it. It just helps me feel a little less alone. So if it helps you, that's great. I appreciate you and I do love you and I do appreciate that you stuck around. You have a great day, week, night, month, year, and mwah, love you. Bye.